You just got a Canon camera and want to start taking great photos? The default settings won't give you the best results, but setting it up the right way is easy. With just a few steps, you'll be ready to shoot like a pro. Let's set it up right now. First, you need to set up some basic things like make sure the battery is fully charged and insert it into the camera. Next, insert an SD card. Set to AF on the lens for automatic focusing. Then turn the camera's power switch to on from the top of the camera body. Then try some advanced setups. Number 1. Set white balance. If you just simply look at your camera, you will see a button called WB. WB means white balance. Press the white balance button and select AWB. AWB is auto white balance. Number 2. Set shooting mode. If you look at the top of your camera body, you will see a wheeler where some letters are written like M, AV, TV, etc., etc. It's called mode dial. So, turn the mode dial to M. MO stands for manual exposure. Now look at the LCD screen. Here you can see more options like ISO, f numbers, shutter speed like 1/125, etc. So, press the ISO button. It's located on the top of the camera or near the shutter button. Then select 200 for best picture. After that, press on the Q button from the camera body. Then select F number box. Now tap on it and select 4.0 to capture the best photo. Then again, press on the Q button. Then select the shutter speed box like 1/125 or something else. Tap on it and select 1/160 for the best. Number 3. Set image quality. Press the menu button, now tap on the image quality. You can use your touchscreen or you can tap the set button here. Now choose RAW plus L. This is good option if you want the flexibility of RAW but also need a quick to view JPEG. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.